This tutorial will guide you through editing Cashup declarations within Unity Enterprise. Please note, once a Cashup is finalized at the point of sale, you cannot edit it directly there. Here's what you'll need. Access to Unity Enterprise with the correct permissions. Knowledge of the store, location, till, or employee involved in the Cashup. In Unity Enterprise, locate and open the cache management feature. Access cache declarations. Within cache declarations, choose the option for cache declarations. You can view by store, location, till, or employee. Select the correct declaration. Choose the specific node, store, location, etc., and date for the Cashup declaration you want to edit. Review the declaration details. The grid will display details like node name, date range, computer-generated amount, user-entered amount, and balancing status. You can also use the column chooser to add additional details like opening or closing float, cash drops, and deposited amount. Click the edit icon, pencil, next to the chosen declaration. This will open the declaration details for editing. Modify any necessary adjustments or corrections within the declaration. Once edits are complete, click the Save icon, checkmark, to finalize the changes. You can also choose to export the declaration as an Excel spreadsheet or PDF file. By following these steps, you can successfully edit Cashup declarations in Unity Enterprise.